Hello, and welcome to another TPOS tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how a tax agent can assign tasks to employees in the tax agent manage clerk process. First, the tax agent logs in the portal using his user ID and password. Upon successful login, two tiles would appear: Client Administration and Client List. Click on the Client Administration tile. 4 new tiles will appear: Client Engagement, Branch Administration, Employee Administration, and Client History. Click on the Client Engagement tile to approve new engagements. Scroll down to check for applications pending approval. There is an application pending approval from Trump Limited. Click on the arrow button on the side to approve the new application. You can check the list of engagements that he has requested for. Enter approval notes, check on the declaration and click Approved. Now you have successfully engaged with Trump Limited. The next tile is Branch Administration tile. In the branch administration, the tax agent is given the option to create virtual branches to help him organize employees and clients. A maximum of 50 active branches can be added by the tax agent at any point in time. To add a new branch, click Add New Branch and a pop-up will appear where you can enter the details of the branch that you want to create. And click on Confirm. You can use the edit icon to amend the details of the branch, or click the delete icon to remove the branch from the summary table. Now you will click on the Employee Administration tile. First, we will look at the Add Employee feature. Click on the Add Employee button. A pop-up would appear where you are required to enter the details of the employee you want to add. Enter the employee's TIN number and press Enter. The details of the employee will be auto-populated thereafter. Now select the branch you want to assign the employee to. The branch top 10 has been chosen. If you wish to make the employee a branch leader, click Yes, otherwise click on No. Click on the Confirm button. Once the employee information is confirmed by the tax agent, the information would appear in the summary table. An email will be sent to the employee for their user ID and password. Please note that a maximum of 300 employees can be added to a branch. You may use the Edit button to change any information regarding the employee. Tax agents would also be allowed to delete an employee. Upon clicking the Delete button, a pop-up would appear. Select the reason for deletion from the drop-down list, for example, non-renewal of contract. Once the reason is selected, click the OK button. The status of the employee will be updated as non-renewal of contract. The tax agent can at any point in time click on the Reactivation button and activate the employee status. Select the reason for reactivation as Reactivate Employee. Once the employee is reactivated, the employee status would again be displayed as Active. Once the tax agent is engaged with clients and added employees, then the tax agent has the functionality to delegate tasks to the employees. Each of the tax agent's engaged clients can be assigned to a specific employee. Click on the Assign Task button. A pop-up would open which consists of the fields: Employee TIN, Select Taxpayer, and Authorization. The Employee TIN drop-down will only display active employees of the tax agent. The tax agent will select the employee from the drop-down. Likewise, for taxpayers, all engaged and unassigned taxpayers would be displayed in the drop-down list. The tax agent will have the option to assign multiple taxpayers to one employee. After the employee selection, the taxpayer needs to select Authorization for assigning the task to the employee. Only unassigned authorizations of the selected taxpayer will be available in the drop-down. Click on the Confirm button. If you wish to remove task from an employee, click on the Remove Task button. A pop-up will open with the drop-down for selection of employee. Once the employee is selected, all tasks assigned to the selected employee will be displayed. Select the assignments to be removed and click on the Confirm button. This will revoke the authorizations from the employee. Once the authorization is revoked, the same client would be again available for allocation to other employees. We hope that you have been able to follow through. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more tutorial videos. For more information or queries, please email info@frcs.org.fj.